Ever stared at a stack of paper bank statements, then at your pristine QuickBooks Online screen, and wondered, can I just attach these somehow? Like, just staple them digitally? It's a question that pops up more than you think, especially when you're trying to reconcile, audit, or simply keep a solid paper trail. You're not alone in that thought. Let's be honest, QuickBooks Online is a powerhouse. It automates, it tracks, it reports. But sometimes you need that tangible, original document. You need that bank statement, the one with the official logo, the one that proves every transaction right there in black and white, or, well, digital ink. Now, before we dive into the can and how, let's set the stage. Why does this even matter? Why can't we just rely on the imported transactions and the digital records within QuickBooks? Think about it. Audits, tax season, disputes, legal proceedings. These are just a few scenarios where having the actual bank statement, the original document, is crucial. It's not just about matching numbers. It's about validating the source. It's about having the proof. And for those of you who've been running your business for a while, you know that sometimes things get messy. Transactions get miscategorized, or there's a discrepancy that needs a deeper dive. Having the original statement allows you to trace back, to verify, to ensure accuracy. QuickBooks Online is designed for efficiency, for streamlining, but it's also built for compliance and accuracy. It's about creating a system that not only saves time but also safeguards your financial integrity. So, back to the burning question. Can you directly attach bank statements within QuickBooks Online in the same way you attach a file to an email? The answer, as with many things in the world of accounting, is a bit nuanced. QuickBooks Online doesn't have a dedicated Attach Bank Statement button in the way you might envision. There isn't a direct feature where you can click Attach and upload a PDF or image directly to a specific reconciliation or transaction. However, that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. There are workarounds, methods, and strategic uses of QuickBooks Online's features that can help you achieve the same goal, albeit in a slightly different way. Let's break down the most common and effective ways to manage your bank statements within the QuickBooks Online ecosystem. 1. Using the Attachments feature for transactions. While you can't attach a statement to the reconciliation itself, you can attach documents to individual transactions. This is incredibly useful for supporting documentation. Here's how it works. When you're reviewing a transaction, you'll see an Attachments section. Click Add Attachment, and you can upload a PDF or image of the relevant portion of your bank statement. This allows you to link specific transactions to their source document, creating a digital paper trail. This is especially helpful for large or unusual transactions. Transactions where you need to provide supporting documentation for an audit. Transactions that require further clarification. 2. Utilizing the Documents tab. QuickBooks Online has a dedicated Documents tab. This is essentially a cloud-based file storage system within your QuickBooks account. Here's how you can use it. Upload your bank statements as PDFs or images to the Documents tab. Organize them into folders, such as Bank Statements, Reconciliations, or by year and month. You can then link these documents to specific transactions or records within QuickBooks. While you're not directly attaching them to a reconciliation, you're creating a centralized location for all your bank statements. This allows you to easily access them when needed. 3. Third-party integrations. The QuickBooks Online ecosystem is vast, with numerous third-party apps that integrate seamlessly. Some of these apps offer enhanced document management features. Here's what you should consider. Explore apps that specialize in document storage and management. Look for apps that allow you to link documents to QuickBooks transactions. Consider apps that offer OCR, optical character recognition, capabilities, which can automatically extract data from your bank statements. These integrations can bridge the gap between QuickBooks Online's native features and your specific document management needs. 4. External cloud storage and linking. Another method is to store your bank statements in a dedicated cloud storage service, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Here's how to implement this. Upload your bank statements to your chosen cloud storage service. Create a well-organized folder structure. Within QuickBooks Online, add notes to transactions or reconciliations with links to the relevant documents in your cloud storage. This method requires a bit more manual work, but it provides a flexible and accessible solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.